Wakey, wakey. Wakey, wakeys. Hey, hey you. Come here. Oh my goodness. It's like a drunken sailor. Oh, yes. Where's that little girl? Where's the little girl? Yeah. Oh, there's her little cute little punchkin face. Hmm? Dook-a-dook-a-dook-a-dook-a-doo. Cute-a-cute-a-cute. What are you doing sitting on your sister, huh? Or your brother, or whatever, yes. Oh, look at you. Look at you, big boy. You're waking up. Can I see you? Hmm? Come on, big boy. Yes. Oh, your brothers are so big. Whoops. I can't get you to turn over like your sister. There we go. There, yes. There. Oh, yes. Oh, look at the size difference between those two. That's my girl. That's my girl, yes. Oh, yeah, it's going to be a good girl. And then Mr. Grumpy Pants here. I want to see Mr. Grumpy Pants. Mr. Grumpy Pants. He's a little flame point. Yes. Oh, are you crying? Oh, yes, you're crying, big boy. Big boy's crying. Aw. Let's see if I can get your face on there. If you can sit still long enough. There you go. Okay, there's the big boy. Yeah?